What's up guys, Shane Starnes here. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the all-new S14 Plus by this video's sponsor, YEEDI. This is YEEDI's new flagship vacuum cleaner that features one of the most advanced mop systems that I've ever seen. Let's go ahead and get started. After having used the S14 Plus this week, I have to say, this is definitely one of the best mopping systems that I've ever seen on a robotic vacuum cleaner, and that's thanks to the Ozmo Roller Instant Self-Washing Mopping Technology. This uses Tineco's patented constant pressure water renewal technology to keep the mop pad clean at all times. Robot vacuums with dual mop pads do a pretty decent job of cleaning up messes. The only issue is that they tend to spread the mess around the house, as they only clean those mop pads every 10 to 20 minutes when they return to the base station. The Ozmo roller system, on the other hand, constantly cleans the mop pad as it cleans the floors. With the Ozmo roller, you don't have to worry about cross-contamination like you do with dual mop pads. You can definitely see the difference between dual spinning mop pads and the Ozmo roller system. The Ozmo roller system's able to get up the entire mess in the first pass. This can definitely get up spills and liquid messes. It also does a great job at picking up sticky, dried-on messes thanks to 4,000 Pascal of downward pressure. Even with stubborn stains, this is going to be able to tackle those with no issues. With the instant self-washing mop technology, you don't have to worry about this spreading dirt and debris throughout your entire house. This uses a 16 nozzle spray system continuously and evenly wetting the mop with clean water. The roller mop then cleans your floors at 200 rotations per minute with up to 4,000 Pascal of downward pressure. Next to the roller is a scraper, which actually scrapes all the dirty water and dirt and debris off the roller, and then a high pressure air pump actually removes all of that water and dirt from the mop. To demonstrate the self-cleaning ability, I actually saturated the roller mop with some teriyaki sauce and then put it through a cleaning cycle, and as you can see, it was able to clean everything from the mop pad. The S14 Plus is able to clean all the way to the edge of your walls and your furniture thanks to the TruEdge 2.0 technology. You'll notice that as the vacuum cleaner approaches your edges and your walls and your corners, the mop roller actually extends out and hugs the edge of your walls and even can hug around the edges of your furniture. Where the TruEdge 2.0 technology really comes in handy is when it's paired with that Ozmo roller mop system. So I had some milk and some teriyaki sauce that I put down right beside my wall's edge, and this was able to hug the edge of the wall and clean all of that up without any issues on the first try. One thing that I really like with the S14 Plus is that the side brush can actually reach into the corners, grabbing all the debris. Most vacuum cleaners on the market totally avoid corners and just miss them entirely, but the S14 Plus can reach in and grab the debris, leaving nothing behind. The S14 Plus features 18,000 Pascal hurricane suction power, and this is one of the most powerful vacuum cleaners when it comes to suction. This is on par with traditional upright canister vacuums, and it definitely shows. As you can see, this made light work of coffee beans and cereal on the carpeted floor, and no matter what I threw at this vacuum cleaner, this had no problem cleaning it up. I do have a few dogs in the house, so we definitely need a vacuum cleaner that picks up pet hair well, and this does a great job. The Zero Tangle 2.0 anti-tangle technology is designed with V-angle bristles to lift hair and prevent tangles. The V-spiral roller pushes hair towards the center, and then the V-comb teeth loosen the hair and send it directly to the dustbin. To test this out, I fed hair directly into the vacuum cleaner, and it was no match for the Zero Tangle 2.0. With the AIVI 3D 3.0 technology, this is able to avoid any obstacle that comes in its path. This is also able to identify random objects that may be on your floor, like in my house, it's usually stuffed animals and other toys. When this detects an object, it's able to closely follow all the way around the object, getting the most cleaning coverage. Most other vacuum cleaners on the market leave a good bit of distance between the object and the vacuum, so it misses a lot of area. You don't have that issue with the S14 Plus. And with the slim design, this was able to get under most of the furniture in my home. It's very easily able to get under TV stands. We have a huge armoire in our living room. This is very easily able to get under that. Once the vacuum cleaner is finished cleaning your home, it heads back to the upgraded all-in-one Omni Station. The new all-in-one Omni Station is compact and can fit in more spaces, and it has everything you need to maintain your robotic vacuum. This has both a clean water tank and a dirty water tank. It also has an auto-empty dustbin. The base station cleans the mop roller with hot water, eliminating bacteria and musty odors. When it's finished cleaning the mop pad, it also air dries it with hot air. This base station even cleans itself. You only have to take apart the bottom tray and clean that manually twice a year. Otherwise, this totally cleans itself. You can get up to 150 days of hands-free maintenance with this Omni base station. With features like the Ozmo roller self-cleaning mop, True Edge 2.0 technology, and 18,000 Pascal of suction power, this is definitely going to be hard to beat. It's definitely one of the most advanced vacuum cleaners that I've used. I'll be sure to include links in the description of where you can find out more information about the YEEDI S14 Plus and where you can purchase one for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.